Okay. Hello, this is Still Crypto. I'm here to give you your daily update on the crypto market. This is not financial advice. I'm not an advisor, but I have been in the market since about 2006, and ever since then I've been long on Bitcoin. But everything has a rhythm. Everything has a season. Right now, I still believe that we are still in a bear market season. Um, The good news is if we get above maybe the 28, 29 K level, then I could see that pendulum swinging towards the bull side and possibly riding all the way up to maybe 48 before coming back down. That's not where I'm at now, but that's some hope for the bulls out there. Okay, let's get into the traditional markets and we can get back to Bitcoin. Traditional markets do show the DXY. We've been on a steady uptrend since, since June of 21, and it's been moving up ever since. Here's the trend line on the daily. As you see here, finally broke right here, and now we're well below it, but it did hit the bottom of the Bollinger Band here, and now we're about to rise back up. And let's see if we either retest it as a resistance, or are we going to blast up above it. We'll see what happens by the end of the day. Let's go ahead and look at our NASDAQ. This is another good news for Bitcoin. As you have here in NASDAQ, we've been hitting this resistant line here. Boom, one, boom, two, ever since December of 2021. And finally, after the CPI report came out yesterday, favorable, finally it looks like today we are opening above this trend line. Let's see if we close it. I do see, the clear inverse relationship between the Bitcoin market and the dollar. As you saw on the other slide, on the other screen, the DXY was at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, close to it, moving up, and now we have this here. This US 100 moving up, getting close to the top of this Bollinger Band. So we'll see what happens. My guess is it will hit it and come back down. We'll see if it comes back down to use that line as a support and blast off, or if it will just crash straight through it. Okay, let's move on to the coin. What does Bitcoin have here for us? Looks like Bitcoin is pimping hard. We're at 24,000, almost 700, let's say 24,670 right now. We are at the top of the range here on the daily. We'll see what happens, but I still see this, see us within the same range here. You can call it a rising wedge, and usually rising wedges, they usually come up and then fall down. We could call it that. If you look at it on the weekly, it still looks like a good old bear flag, and based on that, I've been thinking that around 25, mid 25,000, that's where it'll stall out and start to fail. But I do imagine that we probably get to, let's say we get to, if we do go above this 25, which, there's a good possibility. I can see us getting all the way up to probably around here. Yeah, I see us getting to maybe 26.7 or 27,000 before failing and coming right back down. If we do end up going above it, then that's when I would say, above that 27, getting above this big trend line here at 28,000, that's when I will go long. I'll go long all the way and see if we can go, probably get to right around here, close to 48, the high 48,000 range. But until we get above this big trend line as we see here, I am going to say that we're still in a bear trend. Let's use proper risk management here instead of going all in without any sort of confirmation. Let's wait, be patient. It'll show us true colors one way or another. Okay, right now I am allocated in 30%. Bitcoin, as I said, I was able to buy some at around 19. 10% ETH, I bought that between 600 and 700. 5% ADA, 5% SOL, and the rest are still in stable coins, waiting to see what moves will be made. Alright, that's all for the video. Have a good day.